Here, we just got our first real look at the Galaxy Watch 9. Actual press images before Samsung says a single word at Unpacked. And honestly, it's not what some people were hoping for in terms of design. But what's happening under the hood is a different story. Let's break it all down. So Android headlines got their hands on official press images of the Galaxy Watch 9, and the design is virtually identical to the Galaxy Watch 8. Same Squirtle body, same rounded display sitting on top, even the sensors on the underside of the watch look unchanged from last year's model. Samsung is not touching the exterior, and that's a deliberate call. Here's the thing though. That Squirtle design actually works. It's uniquely Samsung, it makes the watch more durable, and it sits flatter on your wrist, which means more accurate health readings. So while it's not exciting on paper, it's not a bad thing either. The big change this year is the chip. Samsung confirmed at MWC in March that the Galaxy Watch 9 is moving to the Qualcomm Snapdragon Elite, jumping away from the Exynos chipset they've been using. And Qualcomm's pitch with this chip isn't just raw performance, it's AI. The Snapdragon Elite was built with on-device AI capabilities as the headline feature. How much of a real-world difference that makes on your wrist is something we'll find out at Unpacked, but the platform shift alone is significant. Now, sizes and colors, and this is where it gets slightly different from what Samsung has done before. Galaxy Watch 9 comes in 40mm and 44mm, same as always, both available in Bluetooth or LTE. No 5G on the wrist just yet, which is interesting considering Apple's latest watches have already moved to 5G. Samsung isn't going there this year. Colors though, here's the change. The 40mm comes in cream or graphite. The 44mm comes in silver or graphite. That's actually different from the Galaxy Watch 8, which had the same color options across both sizes. So this year, your size choice also determines your color options. Want cream? You're going 40mm. Want silver? You're going 44mm. Worth knowing before you decide. There will also be multiple band colors available, including a green option that showed up in the leaked images. Band choices will play a big role in the overall look of this watch, given how minimal the design changes are. Pricing, nothing officially confirmed yet, but a price increase is fully expected. Samsung already bumped prices last year, and the current RAM shortage is driving up component costs across the board, affecting
more than just memory now. Among Wear OS watches, Samsung is actually one of the more affordable options. The Pixel Watch 4 starts at $349. A $50 increase would push the Galaxy Watch 9 to $399 and $429 for the two sizes. That's the expectation going in. Unpacked is happening in London toward the end of July. The Galaxy Watch 9 and Galaxy Watch Ultra 2 will be revealed there, along with the Galaxy Z Fold 8, Z Fold 8 Ultra, and Z Flip 8. It's going to be a packed event. So Samsung is betting the chip upgrade and AI capabilities do the heavy lifting this year, while keeping the design familiar. Whether that's enough, we'll find out in London at the end of July. Subscribe, because we're covering every single announcement from Unpacked live as it happens. Drop a comment below. Are you upgrading to the Watch 9 this year, or waiting to see what else is out there? Let's hear it. See you in the next one. Peace out.